Wrike is a project management platform built for teams that need structure and flexibility in one place. Designed to handle everything from simple task tracking to complex workflows across large organizations. So, at its core, it lets you create projects, assign tracks, set deadlines, and track progress in real time. You can view work in multiple formats, like lists, Kanban boards, Gantt charts, or calendars, depending on how your team prefers to organize. One standout feature is custom workflows. Teams can define stages that match their process, whether it's product development, marketing campaigns, or client projects, resource allocation, or even workload balancing, making it useful for managers who need oversight at scale. Integrations are another strength. Wrike connects with over 400 tools, including Slack, Microsoft Teams, Google Workspace, Salesforce, and even Adobe Creative Cloud. So it fits into most existing tech stacks. Automation rules also cut down on repetitive tasks, helping teams save time. On the downside, Wrike can feel overwhelming at first, especially for smaller teams, and the best features are locked behind higher-tier plans. But for medium to large organizations that want a centralized, customizable hub for collaboration, Wrike is a very strong contender. If your team struggles with scattered tools and communication gaps, Wrike brings everything into one structured workspace.